Hi, this is Frank and Teskey aboard our 2015 Sea Ray 250 SLX. Step on board. Coming onto the swim platform, you'll see this has a nice tan and brown interior. You have a nice lounging out area here on the transom. Coming into the boat, on the starboard side, you have a nice little wet bar. On the port side, seating wraps around with cup holders underneath to a nice co-captain's chair. Seating here will fill in when you come off onto the boat. Dave, I'll let you step in. So that seat will wrap all the way around, which is really nice. At the helm, the customer upgraded to a nice Garmin screen. You have your Rockford stereo system, little glove box over here, trim tabs, and your throttle. Coming back to the port side, you have a nice head area. Another glove box up top here for phones or anything you need to keep dry. I'll let Dave step up and through. Classic center walk-through here. Two forward-facing loungers. What you can see up top here is this is one of the earlier models with a sports tower. So this is a great option to have here. You don't have the bimini top rattling around. It does give you a lot of coverage. Even though it's the sports tower, it still offers a lot of the bimini canvas. This boat has a white hull color and is equipped with a Mercury 350 mag. For more information on this boat or any other boat that we offer, please visit us at MarineMax Brick or MarineMax online. Thank you.